Have you ever, like, I don't know, been out breaking, entering, and you just got hungry? You see some chips hanging around the house, you see some sour cream in the refrigerator, see a bag of onions like nobody's using them. Why not make some caramelized onion sour cream dip? I'll show you how.
Cut your onion into half. Slice. Toss them into a pot. Add a tablespoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of dark brown sugar, and give it a toss. Let that rest for 10 minutes before you turn on the heat. Cook the onions on a high heat until reduced by 75%. I transferred my onions into a new pot because the pot I was using was slightly too big. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and keep stirring until your onions are nice and caramelized. To a bowl, add 1.5 cups of sour cream, 3/4 cups of mayo, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon white pepper, and half of your caramelized onions. Can't let that go to waste.